If your Omnipod DASH PDM won't turn on, start with a critical safety check. Examine the battery for any signs of swelling, leaking, or overheating. If you notice any battery damage, stop using the device immediately and contact Omnipod support. Do not attempt to charge or use a damaged PDM. If the battery appears normal, the next step is cleaning the charging port. Debris in the port can prevent proper charging and cause power issues. If cleaning doesn't help, try resetting the PDM. Navigate to Settings, then PDM, then Reset PDM. Important warning, this will delete all your current settings. For more stubborn issues, try a force reboot. Press and hold the power button, then tap Power Off when it appears. To restart, press and hold the power button again until the device turns on. You can also try power cycling. Simply turn the device completely off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. This basic restart often resolves temporary software glitches. If your PDM screen displays safe mode, don't worry. Simply restart the PDM by pressing and holding the power button, tap Power Off, then tap OK to confirm. Press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. If none of these troubleshooting steps work, contact Omnipod customer support for professional assistance. Most importantly, always have a backup insulin delivery plan ready for emergencies. To extend your Omnipod DASH PDM battery life, there are several key strategies you should implement immediately. First, and most importantly, activate airplane mode if you're experiencing rapid battery drain. This has been identified as an effective solution by Insulet. Additionally, adjust your screen settings to conserve power. Reduce screen timeout duration and brightness, and always put your PDM to sleep after use. Insulet issued an important warning in 2022 regarding battery problems with the Omnipod DASH PDM, including issues with swelling, leaking, and overheating. Their investigation found that charging the PDM to full capacity and leaving it plugged in for extended periods increases risk. Avoid overcharging your device. Keep your Omnipod DASH app updated through the Google Play Store for Android devices or the App Store for iOS devices. Regular updates include important fixes and improvements. For Android users, you can also clear the app cache and data to resolve potential issues. Go to Settings, find Apps, locate Omnipod, and clear cache and data. Insulet continues to work on software updates to address battery issues and has committed to replacing PDMs for affected users. Stay informed about updates to keep your device running smoothly and safely.